Hey folks, tonight we're keeping our eye on thunderstorms to the northwest and west of the valley at this hour. One of the things about this stuff is if it comes in, we're going to right on the edge of it again because we're not under any kind of watches down here in the valley, but Zapata County, Jim Hogg County, and Webb County, everything to the north under severe thunderstorm watches. And if this stuff manages to come out, we're going to be right on the southern edge of it again. Now, if you're north of us, we're confident there's going to be thunderstorms up there, but down here, right on the edge. Notice we're not under a watch, but we're going to have to watch. That's what we're going to do and see what's going on. Now, if you look over the valley right now, there's nothing. It's been quiet all day. A few sprinkles at the island, but that's been just about it. A very quiet day. Here's what Future Track does. Says that by about 7 o'clock, we're starting to see, this is probably the Sears blow-off, the tops of these thunderstorms moving over the valley. There could be some sprinkles out of that, but the thunderstorms themselves still down to the southwest of us. Let's go a little farther forward. By 10 o'clock, the suggestion is then some showers, maybe some thunderstorms, able to move into the western part of the valley and then continue pushing eastward. But you notice it's not widespread big-time thunderstorms. There's isolated showers and thunderstorms. There's rain for almost everybody, but it's isolated actual thunder and lightning with this. The potential is there for severe weather again tonight with hail and damaging winds, but that potential is very small, probably only about 10%. So again, odds are it probably won't happen, but maybe one or two locations could pick up some thunder and lightning. Where we're more confident is once this moves out and this cool front settles in on top of us, then rain's going to be an issue probably for the next 2 or 3 days. I think Friday, tomorrow, there's a good chance of rain. I think Saturday there's a good chance of rain. The biggest issue tonight, again, and this is only about a 10% probability, is might be some hail and some damaging winds. As we go through the weekend then, if it continues to rain through Saturday and Sunday, then our flooding rainfall could become an issue. The tornado threat remains pretty low. Now, let's look at how much rain we're talking about over the course of the next 2 or 3 days, because that could be the bigger issue. This suggests that by the time we get to midnight tonight, you're looking at not much, 1/10 of an inch, 1/2 an inch in some places. You go forward now through noon tomorrow, and it builds a little bit more. Still about 1/2 an inch in many places. Into tomorrow night, still about the same, and then you go during the daytime Saturday, look how stuff blows up. But again, exact location, exact amounts, you don't put any faith in that. This is through midnight Saturday night. But the suggestion is some places could see 2 to 4 inches of rain before this whole thing is over with between now and Sunday. Anytime a thunderstorm comes in, rain could be heavy. So we'll keep an eye on that. Now again, the radar over the valley is quiet right now, probably going to stay that way. But look to the north, and from Zapata County all the way up to Del Rio into San Antonio and Austin, that whole area under severe thunderstorm watch. And then east of that, all kinds of flood advisories out. That's because that front is sitting right there. Now the front's going to kind of work its way southward by tomorrow, and as it works its way southward, it will continue to be the focal point for thunderstorm development. The big stuff, most of the biggest storms will be north of the valley. We're on the south edge of this, so for us it's mostly just on and off rain and an embedded thunderstorm within it, but severe weather not the biggest threat. Instead, just periods of rain as we go through tomorrow into Saturday. The front's very nearby, so potential for more rain. Finally, by Sunday, the front pushes south briefly as a cool front, so temperature-wise, we should be comfortable. And then on Monday, it starts to move back as a warm front, so the rain chance will come back in once again. So, first of all, tonight, 60% chance of showers, perhaps an embedded thunderstorm. Tomorrow, about a 40%, but that ramps up tomorrow night again, stays at 60 for Saturday, then comes back to 50 by the time we get to Sunday. By Monday, Sunday, a little less than that probably. So tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm embedded within that, a low of 74. Then tomorrow, a mainly cloudy day, only 83, variable winds with showers and perhaps a thunderstorm, at least in a few spots. As we look ahead, 83, 82, 85. Temperatures stay cool. Best chance of rain tomorrow night, and Saturday. Maybe something left over on Sunday. Middle of next week, spotty showers still a possibility, but our best chance by far about the next 48 hours or so. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.